Set alongside this wooded area and constructed back in 2017 by developers Redrow, I present to you this beautiful presented 4-bedroom detached family home that comprises of a living area of over 1,300 square feet. It benefits from an open plan kitchen living area, ensuite to master bedroom, detached garage and ample amount of parking space. Don't take my word for it, why don't you check out your new family home. How stunning is this family home? If you don't want to miss out on a golden opportunity, then please do not hesitate to contact me. The contact number is 01268 271 110 and I look forward to showing you this family home.